In this video, we'll install Studio on Windows using WSL2, the built-in Linux layer. Clean machine to the full platform. And if you have a GPU, we'll wire it through to Docker. 3 pieces, the platform and the console and the workers. It's all on GitHub under Self-Host Hub. Studio is the platform repo. Releases are over on the right. I think the simplest way to get up and running is to install Console, the tool you'll use to install and manage Studio. That's this video. Console has its own repo and its own releases. Selfhosthub.com has the docs and the community link. First, PowerShell. Let's prove this machine is clean. WSL list verbose, not installed. It even offers to install itself. I'll cancel that. I'll show you a better way in a second. One more check, and this one's optional. No NVIDIA card? No problem. Everything in this video still runs on your CPU. NVIDIA SMI, if you do have a card, the Windows driver should already be there. Driver version, CUDA version, and the card. The driver is all WSL needs. One thing to know, you never install a driver inside Linux. Now that better way. One command installs all of WSL. WSL install with Ubuntu. It needs elevation, so approve it. WSL downloads first. Then Ubuntu. No reboot needed on current Windows. It goes straight to provisioning. Ubuntu asks for a user. I'm going with demo user and a password. And there's the prompt, a real Ubuntu shell inside Windows. NVIDIA SMI again, this time inside Ubuntu. Same card. The Windows driver passes straight through. A new PowerShell tab to confirm. WSL list verbose. Ubuntu running version 2. Version 2 is what Docker needs. Docker engine wants systemd. Check WSL.conf. Good news. Current Ubuntu images ship with it on. Boot systemd true, nothing to edit. If yours is missing it, add those 2 lines. Exit Ubuntu and shut WSL down so it comes back fresh. Stopped. Bringing it all back. WSL Ubuntu. Inside WSL, Docker engine is a plain apt install. Docker IO and Compose, straight from Ubuntu's packages. Add yourself to the Docker group and swap in a fresh login shell so the group sticks. Docker PS. Empty list, no errors. Docker's up. Next, UV, the Python tool manager. 1 line straight from the README. Installed in seconds. Reload the shell. UV answers with a version. Now the console. UV tool install Studio Console with the Python 3.12 flag, so it gets its own Python. Studio Console version confirms it's in. Run it with no arguments. The setup wizard starts. Postgres API UI. I'll add the general and transfer workers. 3 general, 1 transfer. Port 80. 1 API server, 1 UI. Auto-generate all secrets. Yes. No entitlement token. That's for school members. Pull images from the registry. Version 1.4.0, the latest. No public URL. Save. Heads up to back up that .env file. Those secrets can't be regenerated. It all lives in .studio in your home. One env file, one compose file. Services, then start all. Studio pulls 6 images. This took about 20 seconds for me. Then 9 containers come up. Postgres first, and everything waits until it's healthy. Studio started. First boot, 2 accounts. Superadmin runs all of Studio. Then admin, the default organization's account, the one for day-to-day work. Both accounts created. Status, running. Local URL, localhost. Health asks the live services directly. All containers running. Now the browser. Localhost. There's Studio. Sign in. Superadmin first. This is the superadmin's dashboard. Each role sees a different view. One organization, 4 workers already. Documentation is built in. The superadmin guide covers deployment, networking, backups. Log out. And in as admin. And this is the admin's dashboard. Workflows, instances, files, documentation too. An admin guide and a user guide. Log out. Now, GPU support. Only the audio worker actually uses it. No GPU? Skip this whole chapter. Docker needs the NVIDIA Container Toolkit to hand containers the card. 4 commands, straight off NVIDIA's install page. The signing key, the repository, apt update, and install the toolkit. One more. NVIDIA CTK wires it into Docker's config. Restart Docker and check it's happy. Active, running. Now let's prove it. A throwaway container with the GPU flag, calling NVIDIA SMI inside it. There's the card inside a container. And that right there is the whole point. Back in the console. Setup, then components. Same checklist as before. Add the audio worker, the video worker, and the ComfyUI worker. 1 instance each. ComfyUI proxies to a server you already run. Default address. Audio worker GPU, all. That's the card we just wired up. Save. Apply now. 3 more images. This pull is the big one. The audio image carries the machine learning stack. I'll jump forward. The stack restarts. 11 containers now. Health, green, with all 7 workers in the list. Back in the browser as superadmin. 7 workers online. Studio is up and running, ready for providers and packages. Open providers, the community catalog. Install all community. 9 providers, all active. Same on AI prompts. 3 community prompts. Installed. Same on workflows. Install all community. 3 land. The plus ones stay locked. That's what the token unlocks. Sign out. Back in as admin. Installing makes content available. Each organization picks what it uses. Providers are already there, all 9. Prompts come from the Marketplace tab. Copy the 3 across, one at a time. They're on the Organization tab. Workflows the same way. Install all from the Marketplace. Three workflows installed as drafts. Last thing, the full stop and start. Services, stop all. Every container stops. Exit the console, exit Ubuntu, and terminate the distribution from PowerShell. The Windows side is cold now. Bringing it all back. WSL Ubuntu. A few seconds to boot. Studio console. Services, start all. Same 11 containers. Postgres, healthy first. Studio started. Health, green. That's the complete install. Studio on WSL2, 7 workers, the catalog, and if you have the card, the GPU wired through to Docker. Like and subscribe if this video was helpful. The community link is below. See you in the next video. Cheers!